So we're now going to look at how to solve a system by elimination. So elimination is different than substitution because elimination, you're trying to eliminate a variable by adding or subtracting. With substitution, we were trying to eliminate that variable by substituting. Now we're trying to eliminate it by adding or subtracting. So that means you're going to look for one of two things. You're either going to look for opposites, meaning A and negative A, right? So an opposite means opposite signs. Or you're going to look for the same number. If there's the same number, that means that A and A would be the exact same, so we're going to subtract. So I'm looking at this one. I see the same and I see opposites, so we're actually going to do the opposites one. So we're going to add, because I like adding better than subtracting. So I'm going to add. So I'm going to take these two equations and I'm going to add them together. So 3x plus 3x is 6x. We're adding these opposites so they disappear. And we're doing 10 plus 2, which is 12. I'm going to divide by 6 here to get x by itself. And look how easy that was getting x by itself. Now what I'm going to do with that x is I'm going to plug it in. And I can plug it into the top equation or the bottom equation, totally up to you. I'm going to plug it into the bottom one. So 3 times 2 plus 4y equals 2. So again, I just took this bottom equation. When I saw the x, I plugged in what we know x to equal, which is positive 2. And I'm just going to multiply 3 times 2. And then it's just solving that two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract my 6. And I have 4y equals negative 4. And then I'm going to divide by 4. So I have y equals negative 1. Now that I have both x and y, I can list my order pair to be 2, negative 1. And that's my answer to this system. So again, remember that if you've got opposites, you add the equations together. If you've got the same number, you subtract.